This is a 2008 Honda Accord. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an electronic throttle, performance tires, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Metroplex Toyota is located at I-20 and Wheatland Road. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.